So I'm gonna do the rest of this without talking. Okay, I think this is it. Let me know what you think down below, but it is a very natural look. I was thinking about doing eyebrows. Maybe I'll just do a little bit of, I'll just brush it up for now, but I don't think I am gonna, you know, fill it in today. I think I'm just gonna keep it pretty natural to how it is right now. And that's it. This is the finished look. I love all the products that I used. It's literally concealer and the Merit that I think have been making the biggest difference. I was kind of like on the fence about the price with this thing, but so far I've been using this for like a week. Barely a dent in the product, so I know it's gonna last me a long time. It blends super easily, and it's got a beautiful natural finish to it, and wow, really love it. Anyways, I'm gonna go get changed and I'm gonna go continue about my day, but thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.